waivers, and if you come on Monday, you'll actually get all 5 strategies. So class is dismissed. Yes?
I take this opportunity to thank Mrs. Dara for the wonderful presentation on virtues, and I'm sure each and every one of you must have enjoyed being a part of it. Thank you, Dara, for the wonderful project on virtues, and I'm sure we have been much better equipped when we enter the classes. Thank you, Dara, for being here with us. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Can't express so much we have learned.
Thank you. That's really, really kind of you. Thank you.
And full of energy all the time.
Oh, blessings to you all. I'm so very grateful, and I'm humbled to be in your presence. And I think, are we late for class or tea? Or what's happening now? We have to be somewhere else?
I was curious to know what was all this about.
Yeah, so actually, if we would have had more time, we really would have had a circle, and I would have had more things in the middle. This is restorative practices, and I would have made it more interactive, so I apologize. I would have had you pick a talking piece. Oh, I keep listening is more important than speaking, right? So, and then I would invite you to say your name. Everybody would have said good afternoon in your name and the strength, virtue that you bring. And then you would pass it to the next person. And so if you would have picked the compass, what might you have said? What would have been your reason for picking the compass?
I'm adventurous.
So now we know a little bit
traveling.
more, right?